education in healthcare is central to the mission of the Sayyid Babari School of Science and Engineering. In this department, we have state-of-the-art, fully equipped laboratories, and it is at this epicenter that we focus on various aspects of healthcare education.
We are trying to develop leaders in medical education who will promote both academic and research activities. The certificate program covers a diverse range of topics, including teaching, learning, and assessment within the healthcare profession.
This will be a unique learning experience for healthcare professionals, enabled through our modern infrastructure, trained digital and online learning facilitators, as most of the sessions will be conducted online, and a vibrant cross-disciplinary collaboration environment provided by LUMS. We look forward to welcoming healthcare professionals to this truly exciting learning opportunity handcrafted by LUMS and Shalimar Medical and Dental College faculty members.